Over the past few years, Ripple and its native token XRP have dominated crypto news, from big partnerships with banks to the lengthy battle with the SEC. XRP has been loud and public. But what if that attention was only a distraction? What if the real financial rails of the future were being built quietly without the noise? That is what I think, and so do other analysts. You see, Stellar XLM may have been the plan all along. While Ripple fought regulators in court, Stellar built relationships, infrastructure, and a global presence that is only now beginning to show its true purpose. Since Stellar's launch in July 2014, the Stellar Development Foundation (SDF) has focused on supporting the development of an ecosystem of products, tools, and applications that people can use for everyday financial services. The focus on payments and digital asset issuance led to eventual groundbreaking implementations, including the first regulated money market fund on a blockchain, the Franklin Templeton's FOBXX via the Benji token, and that was in April 2021. Humanitarian aid distributions through UNCHR, which was in December 2022, launched partnerships with companies like MoneyGram International to make cross-border payments accessible, partnered with IBM to launch WorldFire, embedded it itself into IMF research papers, and enabled native USDC transfers. Stellar is already powering real transactions in real countries, and here are some key regions where Stellar has quietly expanded: Nigeria, CBDC and USDC corridor; Kenya, cross-border remittances; the Philippines, MoneyGram integration; and Ukraine with the refugee stablecoin aid via Stellar; and in Bermuda with the CBDC pilot. You see, by the end of 2025, the Stellar Development Foundation aims to have $3 billion in yield-bearing real-world assets on-chain and be a top 10 chain in DeFi total value locked in. And this could create a flywheel where more institutional capital increases user engagement, thereby leading to higher transaction volumes and ecosystem activity. You see, Stellar's on-chain activity has surged, with its total value locked in DeFi reaching an all-time high of 153 million on August 10th. DeFi Llama reports that this marks the highest total value locked ever recorded on the Stellar network, indicating increased participation and capital inflow into its decentralized application. And this rise in TVL suggests that users are deploying more assets on Stellar-based protocols, reinforcing network utility and user engagement. The growth in TVL follows the network's recent technical breakout and ongoing institutional partnerships. But as always, before we start, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. You see, it is with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects. So do me a favor, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams. They're going to be on from the 5th of September so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. The live XLM price today is trading at 43 cents on the dollar, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 13 with a live market cap of almost 13.6 billion, still trading at 53% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May 12, 2021. And now let's get into the news. Recent news update. You see, Stellar gains more and more traction through MarketNode and institutional links. The Stellar Development Foundation announced that MarketNode's Gateway, which is Singapore's blockchain-based infrastructure provider, now supports the Stellar network. And this integration aims to expand Stellar's institutional footprint in the Asia-Pacific region. MarketNode operates two platforms: the Gateway Tokenization Service and FundNode Investment Fund Infrastructure, which provides a platform for transaction management, funds processing, and record keeping. Now, it is important to note that Euroclear, securities clearing and settlement provider Euroclear, backs MarketNode And Euroclear, alongside DTCC, Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, processes transactions through the SWIFT messaging network. And this connection suggests that Stellar may be operable within the SWIFT ecosystem. Stellar is also reportedly built on DTCC infrastructure, reinforcing its potential role in institutional and cross-border transaction systems. Now, the next piece of news is also big. You see, in August, Visa has officially confirmed its support for the Stellar network, integrating it into its global stablecoin payment system. Now, according to the announcement, Stellar is the only non-proof-of-stake distributed ledger technology included in the platform. And this sets Stellar apart from other blockchain projects, as it uses a consensus protocol that avoids energy-intensive mining and staking mechanisms. And the integration aims to enhance the efficiency of cross-border payments by leveraging Stellar's transaction speed and low cost. Visa's support reflects growing recognition of Stellar's technical infrastructure and its practical application in financial services. This move places Stellar alongside other blockchain partners in Visa's push towards scalable blockchain-based payment rails. Not only has Stellar retained the support of huge financial entities, but it's also working on its platform with key updates. You see, Protocol 23 timeline updates, and the key updates are August 14 testnet reset plus stable bills available. September 3rd mainnet upgrade vote. The August 14th reset will clear all testnet data, accounts, assets, contracts, so be ready to create what you need. Everyone is waiting to see how the Protocol 23 upgrade will work out for XLM, which will be put up for a vote on August the 14th. And this upgrade is expected to make smart contracts faster, less expensive than the current state, which could boost Stellar Network's charm among developers and projects, and in turn increase demand for XLM. So that's it for this video. What I would like to say is that we have added Stellar XLM to Betty's portfolio. Now remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice. You need to do your own research, as I don't know about crypto. Nevertheless, 5th of September we're going to start going live. I believe the third cycle is really on track. October, November, I think we're going to see Bitcoin at 250,000. We might even see Ethereum hitting 15,000. These are my predictions. Who knows if I'm right? But anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Now, in case you joined this video, do me a favor, hit like, smash, and subscribe and all them goodies, and I hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Don't think too much, as you know it can cause depression. My name is Nico Arachi, and I am a real investor.